Hey guys, and welcome back. Okay, so now let's go ahead and create or generate our login page. So I'm gonna go to my integrated terminal here and just create a new terminal window, and I'm gonna say Ionic generate page, and this is gonna be called login. Cool. So our login page is generated here. And let's just quickly see what name we need to be using when we linking this page into the application. So it's clearly just login. So let's go ahead and register this page in the application correctly. So I'm going to go to appmodule.ts. I'm just going to copy this, command copy and paste. And then I'll say, hey, I want to register my new page called login. And you'll find it in pages, login, and login, as well as including it here under declarations and just say login, as well as under our entry components and just say login. And now our page is ready to be used in our application. So I'm gonna save that. And now we are ready to start editing our page, which we'll do in the next video. I'll catch you there.